interview today is going to be about Dr. Phil. Quick story, I bought the bike in 2018 and I saw this shop, so I'm gonna pull over and see what's going on. And when I did, he looked at the bike, he saw it was new, I'm a newbie, and told him, well, trying to sound like I know what I was talking about, I told him I was getting ready to go to Harley Davidson and get a service. I did tell you I saw a shop and I pulled in it, right? Well, immediately he said, nah, you're not gonna do that. So I tell you what, I'll keep the bike running, all you do is ride. And I said, all right, let's do it. Come on in, Phil. This guy right here is the reason I do what I do as far as the bike performance. He's the only person to put tools on it. And I told him, I said, I want to do an interview with him. And he just said, okay, kind of like when I met him. So, Phil, what are we doing? What's going on?
Virgil wears it out. He gets it dirty. We clean it up, keep him rolling so he can make the iron butt ride, keep him safe, do our best to make sure he makes it there on time and in one piece.
All right, okay, so tell me something. How many set of tires am I gonna keep buying from you? I mean, I don't know about these things. If you guys are newbies and you wanna just do what I'm doing, how many?
Well, at the rate you're going, as much as you've been riding, we're probably already, for the year, we gotta be at least on the third set of tires now we're about to put on it.
Well, he keep a set of tires in there just
with his name on it. Yeah.
All right, so when I rode this bike, I just did 3,000 miles on it, right?
Yep.
Whenever I do 3,000 miles and I bring it back to you, what am I expecting to get done to her to keep her?
Well, probably the engine oil change, and then we just check over everything else: tire pressure, tire condition, brake condition, battery connections, all the basics, things that could leave you on the side of the road.
Ready.
What about the tire scale? What are we doing?
Check the tire pressure, check the tire condition, check your wheel bearings, brake pads, change the engine oil and filter, get it ready for you to take another run.
That's good, man. How long will you keep the bike this time? Do I get head of the line privileges now?
Well, because you're Virgil, so we do kind of give you a little preferential treatment because you're always in a hurry to get back out on the road. So
yes, I am.
We make it happen for you.
All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, you heard it from my main man, Dr. Phil. He takes care of Miss Black, and I'm good. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.